Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I have partnered up with cryptocurrency exchange Exmo, and we're going to be taking a deep dive into the exchange itself. Now, this is going to be perfect for anybody who's just getting into cryptocurrency, buying or selling. And this is also going to be a very useful video for anybody thinking about changing brokers, and Exmo is a potential option probably for you guys. So what is Exmo? Exmo is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna, all these other cryptocurrencies out there. Now, an exchange is basically the place where you can buy and sell crypto, right? So you get your fiat money, which is your normal money from your bank. You put it on the exchange and then you can buy and sell crypto like that. So what is good about Exmo? Now, there are plenty of exchanges out there, but over the course of the last 10 years, I believe quite a few of them have been susceptible to hackings, where they've been hacked and they've lost crypto or they've lost, certain stuff. I mean, in Turkey recently, supposedly some of the brokers, founders ran away with the money and so on. So the fact that Exmo itself is a very secure cryptocurrency exchange, because partnered with Ledger Vault to beef up its security, is a very good thing. The exchange itself has been operating since 2014, and there's over 1.8 million users worldwide. Now, three very interesting stats are right here on screen. They've got 22,000 plus active traders right now, 192 currency pairs, and 2,427 daily volume in Bitcoin, which are very key stats, because the higher volume, the higher the speed of buy and sell orders, the more currency pairs, the more cryptos you can trade on the platform, and the higher the number of active traders, obviously the more money flows through the exchange. It ties into volume, and it shows that people like the exchange and are still using it. So on a fundamental level, they're very good positives. You can create an account in a few simple steps. And right here, we can see that we've got some Bitcoin relative to USD, to Euro, to Great British Pound, to UR, and so on. So we're going to talk about what these trading pairs are a bit later on. But we can see here, for example, all of the different cryptos out there and the trading pairs you can trade with. Now, as well as this, there are some advanced features where you can look at setting up a bot, API, a reliable tool for cross-platform trading bots. And they also offer a very good referral program and cashback and so on. And as well, they have a fully fledged trading platform with a very minimalist design, adaptive grid and night mode. And as well, they have their own trading app, which is a great thing because sometimes you want to trade on the go on your phone as well as on your computer, on your desktop. So having a mobile app and a desktop app, I think, is very good. Right, so diving into the trading things. So when you're looking to buy or sell crypto, you find the crypto you want, and then you choose what trading pair you want to buy the crypto you want with. So for example, US dollar, USDT, which is the US dollar tether, which is essentially tied to the US dollar. Then you've got, scrolling down, rubles, the Russian rubles. You've got euros, you've got Bitcoin, ADA relative to Bitcoin. So what this does right here is the asset in bold is the asset you're buying, and the asset in lighter gray is the asset you're using to buy the main asset. And then it also shows you how ADA, for example, has performed relative to Bitcoin in the last 30 days. ADA is up 45% relative to Bitcoin in the last 30 days. And the same here for the US dollar. Ethereum is up 6% over the last 30 days. And since the US dollar tether is the same as US dollar, it tries to tie itself to it. We can see they're roughly the same in terms of fluctuations. So that is what you call a trading pair. And when you trade as well, often you have to pay a small commission for making a trade. However, if you sign up to Exmo using my link down in the description below, you'll get $100 worth of premium cashback, allowing you to save up to 116.5% trading commission. So you're effectively trading with no commission. So if you're starting out, then that's a very good thing because you don't have to pay commission. If you don't have to pay commission, you can save money, you can invest more money, etc., etc. And as well as this, one thing I find interesting is that in the last few months, in the native Exmo token has gone up 2,500%, which kind of shows great positivity for the crypto markets in general, because all the assets in general over the last year seem to have gone up. And the more the assets go up, the more interest there is in the crypto markets. The higher the exchange is getting used, the higher Exmo token goes. So it sees that more people are using the Exmo exchange because the token value's gone up, etc. There's obviously other factors that come into play, and I'm no financial advisor. But it kind of shows that the crypto space is growing. And if you're investing in crypto or thinking about it, you want to see a growing marketplace. Now, as I said, I am no financial advisor, so please do not make any investment decisions based on what I say. I am not responsible, but I think it's very good seeing all of the relative pairs on this app and seeing how they're performing relative to other assets. And as well, even if you already have a cryptocurrency broker, sometimes it's good to consider using a few different brokers, just because, like in investing in general, diversification mathematically reduces risk. So even when it comes down to what brokers you're having and storing your cryptocurrency assets assets in and what you're buying them with, by diversifying and putting your eggs in different baskets in terms of where you're buying and what you're holding, it kind of reduces your risk. Because, for example, if one exchange was to go bankrupt, there'll be regulations that help you out, but then there's a risk that you could lose everything you had in that exchange. Whereas if you diversify your portfolio into different exchanges and so on, and buy different exchanges, the likelihood is that if one of them goes bust, the other ones might be all right. So therefore, there's inherently and mathematically a slightly lower risk when you diversify exchanges, like when you diversify assets. And we can see that the sign-up process is very simple, but now we know what Exmo is, why it's good, what crypto is, and what the pairs mean. You then might want to start looking at trading cryptocurrency if that's what you wanted to do. Then you would head over once you've signed into the trade panel, and here we can see their trading terminal. We've got on screen the Bitcoin pair relative to US dollar, and essentially we've got a nice little grid here where you can do some technical analysis if that's what you wanted to do. Obviously that's a more advanced thing, where you can see essentially how it's been performing over the last 6 months, how it's been performing over the last 5 years, and so on. We can see the 24-hour high and low, the 24-hour volume, the latest price, and the 24-hour change, which again is very, very good features. And on the right hand side here, we can see the different pairs, and we can see an order book right here. So let's say an order book is, if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, you select the pair, you want to buy it relative to US dollar, you then select how much Bitcoin you want to buy, say 1, you click buy, and then that buy order would head all the way down to this little section here, to the order book, and your order would be on this order book at the price you selected it at. And then when your price matches the price that somebody's willing to sell Bitcoin at, which is here, the order goes through. So we can see that is why having a very high volume of Bitcoin is very good, because the higher the volume of Bitcoin on the exchange, the more orders are going through, the more buy and sell orders are being put through, and the higher the volume of buy and sell orders being put through, the more likely it is that your order is going to be executed, and it's going to be executed quicker, and so on. And again, here you can see there's a trade history where you can see all the relative trades that have been going through and so on. There's obviously so many trades that it struggles to keep up, and there's a bit of a delay, but again, it is a very good feature. So you can set limit, market, and stop orders. A second ago, I had it on a stop order. However, if you're looking to buy the market price, then you would just simply put 1 in there for when you wanted to buy it, so on. You can set limit and stop orders, which are a bit more advanced, which are pretty good for when you're looking to, exit or enter at a certain price. But remember, I know I had it on stop a minute ago when I explained if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, what to do. If you wanted to buy a market price, then you should just have it on this market section here. Once you've then bought cryptocurrency assets of your choice, you would head over to your account and head over to the wallet section of your account, where you'll be able to see your cryptocurrency balance. Now, if I bought 1 Bitcoin, for example, it would say available 1. If I had an order in the order book that hadn't gone through, it would probably say, if I wanted to buy 1 Bitcoin in the order book, it would be say 1. And then here's got my total. If I wanted to send over a cryptocurrency from another exchange, then I would select deposit. And if I wanted to withdraw it to another exchange, I click withdraw here. Now, to start with, to buy crypto from nothing, you would obviously need to have some US dollars, euros, GBP, or your natural currency. Your fiat balance would you need to have fiat money. And then once you deposited your fiat money in a few clicks straight from your bank account, which is very cool, you can then trade that and then start trading cryptocurrency. You can deposit Great British Pound, euros, US dollars, all within a few clicks, which is very cool. And there is 0.1% trading commission on US dollar tether pairs, on USDT pairs. But obviously, if you sign up using my link down in the description below, you'll get that premium cashback, which helps reduce your commissions to 0. There you go. There is my review of the cryptocurrency exchange Exmo. Today, I partnered up with them for this video, and this was a paid partnership for transparency. But you can see there is quite a few positives about the exchange. And obviously, if you're new to crypto, the interface is a very nice interface. It's very, very helpful, I believe, to have a smooth interface for when you're starting out. And I think as well, the high pairs, the high volume, is great. And as I was saying, cryptocurrency could be our future. It might not be, but it could be, as many people say. So I think even having a slight awareness of how it all works in terms of trading it is very beneficial. So remember, if you wanted to sign up to Exmo, use my link down in the description below and you'll get $100 of premium cashback, allowing you to save on trading commission fees. And thank you very much to them for sponsoring today's video.